fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. A little bit like that, that's fine. Actually, I was saying just a little bit more is actually kind of a good thing. That one's fine. Okay, yeah, here. Now that one, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that's
Just
bad.
don't worry, go to the next one. I think maybe your tip needs to get cleaned again. That's good. Careful, don't hit your hand. That's good. It's more of a wipe than a, you want to just wipe it in the wet zone. Don't worry about the brown, that's actually fine. Alright, hold on. You got extra solder dabble in there. Wipe your iron. That's good. Where are you going? So you know what you can do here? Hold on. Here. Okay, now keep going.
Wait, what?
Keep going. Once you get to the end, we will implore the solder sucker on one of your connections up at the beginning. Finish doing those first. That's good work right there. Nice, dude. Nice. Okay, so now put the solder down. Get the solder sucker engaged. Careful. Yeah. Okay, get the solder sucker engaged. Okay, remember, don't touch the metal. Was it hot?
No, not that
Okay,
one.
get the solder sucker. No, pass is on. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, solder sucker, load it up. Okay, now just like but you have to heat up the solder sucker. You have to heat up the solder before you can use the solder sucker. So that should be in your other hand. And now instead of touching it with the solder, once you heat it up, you're gonna press the button to get that one. Do you have one that looks like there's too much on it?
Yeah, right there.
Then oh jeez. So yeah, here, let me hand this to you. Okay, good. All right, now you're gonna go and heat it up, and then once you get it heated up, and you can tell it's melted.
Whoa!
And suck it out. Did it work good? And
Wow!
Once you cleared it out, if the connection is good, then you're done. If you need to put more solder in, then put more solder in. Are you all good? Is it clean, or do you need to add solder now?
This is perfect.
All right, cool. Yeah, that was nice.
Wow!
All right, so let's take a.
I thought it was like meant for little bits that come off.
That's what it's meant for. Is just that exact purpose right there.
Oh.
Is to clean up a job. All right, so now.